Obiara sewo, Obiara sewo. Only you deserve my praise. Hello, when you are not atofo. Eyemunyaba Eveee nie. Me mamunyina akwaba. Eba to see and fresh. Baby aye nu aduane a ede. Ne saso de enuade pa enua. Ene wa hwe ye how to grill full or whole chicken. Wa hwe na kono na ye motson so. Mama yenkwe. In a bowl, no me add all my seasoning. I'll be listing them in the description box, so you check it out. Right? Now me the melted butter account. Now me the ketchup kakra and so account. Now me say chicken no de. Aha. Into say you be canning in afra. Then this is my whole or full chicken. My partner and as my papa ho kama into say no me de. Me seasoning no egu ho chese me de me marinade no egu ho na ma marinade otiase nti make sure say seasoning no and marinade no ebeko all kinds of the chicken Inti me fa akwenya we so ada me viewers, me subscribers, me fans, munyina me da mo ase. Ewo do ene support ya modi ama tasty and fresh ewo afi nyina mu. Me da mo ase muni ho a mini ho. Nyame nhira mo wate no nye mo kese. Na de da mo akoma so bia onye mamo. Na me hye mo bo say nyame ya adoma 2024 will be great. Wate. Say nene da edi kan a wo ba tasty and fresh dwumedie so Mr. Mema wakwaba na meda wasen so tena se ne beka ebusu hu na ye enjoy goodies wate ene wa hwa ye grilly anas ye roasty full or whole chicken ntesi ana ye wie bibia no the inside na so ye be fill it with some veggies, potatoes, garlic, ginger, onion and what have you. We have basil leaves and I'm the ashahon. I say akoko mesa and no namidi ashimi. Namidi more marinade and I say seasoning ashahona for the makahatum. Na ye ria yakoko no or your bar or your rubber into your can and night at so to say rubber na yachre so what's yasi. Into your becata so come up near the sihoka cra bear 30 to 1 hour be. What me and other cheso is perfect. Yeah, you say marinade ne ko canes ni nyina. Inti after 1 hour no please am I ready and made ne koshe oven mo. Inti for more flavor ntino made the potatoes, veggies, carrots egu mi tray nim. Sene be ya juice ne so ne gusto no na che say evaporate eko ye chicken ofin so so the more butter efa me chicken pese me chicken nye juicy enya akono na enye deso inti sesia no me the lemon kakra to so ena me de na hye me oven a ma preheat it to 180 degrees inti after 35 minutes no me ena juice na asone masa edi spread the chicken no no masa adane kakra na be na hye bio ye be roasty and as ye be grilly for like about 1 hour but make sure say oven no ube lower no say ano ye den na wa hwe senia chicken yi aye akono into after 1 hour no here we are. You can garnish it with any vegetable you have there. Just look at this. Aye akono papa na mesene de Nancy festive season ye new year be Mr. Ebusuya grilly whole chicken Emma wo family no monje no mweni beche washe juicy ankasa I am motson say unya waya na ene eseno onua so when each video yi ho a we hwe da sama ya de a ma onua ba thumbs up wate na like na subscribe na ye nyimbo wate into me invite mu nyina mombra na ye enjoy your grilled chicken. Thank you and see ya in our next video. Bye family.